Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out this 1972 Mustang Mach-1. Factory Q code car, means the factory 351 Cobra jet. I like the color combination on it a lot too. I like the white with the black Mach stripe, Mach hood. Just must be our unlucky day. You look at the clouds, looks like it should be perfect, but then somehow it's sprinkling on us. I don't know how that works, but
pretty crazy, huh?
Just our luck, I guess.
With the Q code, it's got the ram air, all the ram air stuff, the correct air cleaner and everything that's functional. Looks like it's got factory air as well. Pretty much complete, but we're not going to mess with the AC and get that working. It doesn't have the belt on it, and probably for a good reason. But as far as everything else goes, power steering, power brakes. I see it's got disc brakes on the front with slotted and drilled rotors. Aluminum radiator, keeping this cool.
They also went ahead and put on the MSD Ignition.
Yeah. I also heard you kind of talk about the color combination, and usually I'm not a big white fan, but this kind of off-white a little bit with the black Mach-1 stripes. This is a true Mach-1. We put brand new, kind of a Magnum 500 wheel, brand new Cooper Cobra race white ladder tires with the right size on it. I like the stance too.
I like it a lot too. White car with the black, black decals or stripes. I love, like that Camaro we had just a few weeks ago.
Oh wow,
that thing is sweet with the black decals. Really stands out.
As far as the quality of this one, Dalt, I would kind of just say it's a really nice turnkey driver, local car show quality, cruise night car. You could be real proud of it at a car show, but I mean, it's not a national winner or nothing like that. Just a very, very solid car with a nice body shop paint job on it. Front bumper's in excellent shape. Grill's really nice. It looks like they replaced the chrome and stuff like that on the grill. Really nice gap from front to back here. Hood lines up nice back here. Windshield looks nice. Sorry about the few little raindrops. It just sprinkled this a little tiny little bit. I don't even know if it'll pick it up on here, but the roof's nice and straight. The rear spoiler's new. Nice new dual exhaust. New trim, new taillight lenses, gas cap, all that looks new and nice. The stripe kit over that new paint. And just look how straight that trunk lid is. So the stripe kit's nice. Both sides, lines up well. As we look up and down the sides, the bottom of the door fits good. Nice straight car, brand new wheels and tires. Does have the chrome door edge guard. Like I said, that door tucks in there really nice. We have a little, again, this was a driver, so it was all restored, driven a little bit, so it's got a couple little chips and stuff on the top edge of the rocker. As we open up the door.
Hey, look who it is.
As we were looking to open up the door here, nice corner of the door. They painted the bottom black good. Little glue on the bottom of the door there. Door panels brand new. Did a nice job on painting up in here, but you can see a few little sand scratches in there. Again, taking this to just nice driver quality. They did paint the door jambs, stuff like that, but the paint on the door jambs right here isn't quite as nice as the rest of the exterior paint.
I always like that Mach-1 interior with the deluxe seats. Just cool.
That's nice. Dash pad's been replaced. Steering wheel looks good. All the tacking gauges, stuff like that looks nice. They did do some aftermarket gauges right down there, so you know exactly where your volt, oil pressure, and temperature is. Rest of the dash looks nice. New carpet. Seat covers are excellent. Headliner's been replaced. That's nice and tight. Back door panels, back seat belts, back seat all looks great as well. So yeah, really nice interior, nice body, nice paint, nice stance.
It's got a really nice trunk too. I'll grab the key for you.
Okay. I was just talking to you, just how nice this lines up, both sides here, see that?
I was really impressed when I took pictures. A lot of times, especially on a Mustang, the gaps aren't great, and just how that trunk lid fits there is awesome.
Looks like Brant's just finishing up a sold ticket on that 70 Chevelle, so that's good. Wow.
Yeah, I said
nice,
just really
huh?
nice. Yeah, solid.
That's definitely show quality in there. Very, very nice. Spackled ride, even in here. Just very nicely done. Thanks, Steve.
Yep.
protected my head there. As we look here, nice and solid. It is a factory for that spare tire. That's pretty cool, huh? Bottom of the trunk lid's nice. Jam paint's nice. Original quarters there too.
You're only going to see this when the spoiler's up, but the bottom side of the spoiler's got some sand marker. You know, it could be shooting black again, but again, you only see that when the trunk's up.
Exactly. Look at the top edge of this quarter as you're looking up and down the side of it. Very nice and straight. Bottom of the quarter panel is excellent. Driver's side's just a nice straight car.
It is.
I'm impressed. Gaps are good, front and back. Bottom of the front fenders, bottom of the doors, all those gaps are excellent. Looks like there might be just a little, yeah, there's a little flaw there we'll get to in a little bit. But this line lines up nice too. Just 1 second, right here. A little scratch that's been touched up right along here. Little chip. Other than that, bottom of the front fender is excellent. Side of the hood is excellent here. We do have just a little paint rub off right on this corner of the hood, but the gap's nice. Here's your VIN number, 2F05Q.
Again, Q meaning 351 Cobra Jet, Mach-1.
Nice. So it started life as a pretty cool car.
Yeah, it really did.
Here's your factory tag, which tells you your 9A color and all that as well, 63R. Your Q code. Door jamb paint on this side's pretty nice. It's just that little light on the other side, wasn't it?
Yep.
Again, seats are excellent. Headliner's nice. They did do an aftermarket shifter, which we'll get to in a second. With this, we kind of kept ourselves a couple $1,000s extra here to go through. We got to get the tack working and a few other odds and ends. As far as that goes, it needs just a few little things yet.
Yep.
So, very nice car though. Factory tack and gauges. And when we started up, the tack bounces a little bit, and those lenses are super clear with 51,479 miles on the odometer. But we have a fuel sender we have to do. We've got to pull that out and fix the tack and a few other little odds and ends on it, okay?
Look at this though. I mean, right when we fired up, over 70 pounds of oil pressure. And again, as it warms up, it's going to drop a little bit, but that tells you got a really strong motor.
Really nice. Wipers work good. Horn does not, gas gauge doesn't, and tack doesn't right now. So those are things that those three items we're going to fix. Okay. Disc brake pedal and stuff is really nice up here. Feels like we got really good brakes. I like the shifter too.
Yeah, I do too.
$160 for them wheels.
All right. Looking out over the hood, man, that just looks nice and straight, super clean.
It's a good car. Even the wood grain and everything on the interior just looks nice too. They did a really good job with it. The new carpet.
Yeah, they sure did, huh?
So with that shifter, it's a manual.
Nice tranny.
Yeah, it is.
Doesn't it? As far as the speedometer works great as well. One thing we don't have to do.
Yeah.
But when these cars come in, we did so much interior work and wet sanded and buffed it and just did a lot of stuff already. You know, it's just we can't get to everything right away.
So yeah, so with that shifter, you go through the gears manually. So
Yeah.
you're in first and second and third. I think it's fun. I like them a lot better than them B&Ms, really.
Oh yeah, I'm sold on this thing. If you want to, you can still put a console around it or something.
Yeah, or if you don't like the shifter, they're cheap to change out too. But
yeah, but
try
then
it,
you
see
just
how you
have
like
the normal little one you can't really do anything with.
Yeah.
I like it.
I do too.
Tranny shifts good, 60 mile an hour. Over in third.
Yep.
Really nice solid tranny, that's 60 mile an hour.
Goes down the road good.
Yeah, it goes down the road nice. Of course, those brand new wheels and tires don't hurt.
Yeah, they help.
Brakes are excellent. Again, we got disc brakes on the front. kind of fun messing with that.
It is.
To be honest.
So when it's smooth, it's just easy to
Called
operate.
It's Art Carr.
Yep.
Is the name of that shifter.
Art Carr.
Training's right there.
It is, yeah. It's very
Good
responsive.
shift right away.
Yeah, I like
Drops
it.
right in, doesn't it? There ain't no woo.
Yep, no, it's nice and responsive. There's no lag.
65 mile an hour, going on 70 right there. Brakes stop nice. Again, power brakes, and they work awesome.
Really good Mustang. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.